I know when I first got into trying to build my credit, I had a very low credit limit. It was like $300. And I only spent $100 in that first, like I only spent $100 and I would pay off my card immediately. Like I would never try to let my statement build up too much. And slowly but surely, you know, it's like a snowball effect. I went from $300 in credit to $900 to $3,300 to now I have over $30,000 in credit. So you just got to start small and just keep it moving like that. Let's see. Long time watcher here, also Arizona based. Can you comment at which point doing doing all your reselling under LLC is necessary? So I have my business is under a S corp right now. It really just depends on what your plans are. For me, I realized that I was really trying to grow the business to a point where, you know, eventually we'll have to start buying property. We might need to start looking into, you know, just bigger ventures. So I think it really just depends on your goals. Some people, before they do any reselling, they immediately get a LLC just so that they can separate the business from the personal. That's really all having a business structure is all about. When it comes time for taxes, you want to make sure that all the business expenses and all of those things are completely separate from your personal. Because if you, for instance, let's say you don't want to do an LLC, you don't want to do an S corp, when it comes to and you're just filing as a sole proprietor, there are some benefits to that, but you're also pretty limited once you start to make more money. So once you start making, say, 50, 60,000 a year just off of reselling, I would probably suggest that you start looking into an LLC or an S corp or whatever is more beneficial for you, only so that you can able to separate the business from the personal and kind of protect yourself when it comes to taxes. But for everybody, it's a little different. Some people do it immediately. Some people have been doing it for 10, 15 years and they're still operating as a sole proprietor. So it really just depends on your goals overall.
For the winner, cause you felt like you was losing, only for the winner. Move just to keep from cooling, like only for the winner, only for the winner, only for the winner. Boy, my heart is cold, and I'm too cool to sweat it. I should've never offered it. I'm tight and now I'm off this shit.